In front of me is Apple iPad mini from 2021, and let me show you how to reduce loud sounds on this device. So it's super quick and easy operation. All you need to do is to open the settings, then find and pick sound and select this reduce loud sounds. And here you can smoothly activate it by using this switcher. From now on it is active, and here you can manage it. So here you've got the options. So for example, 80 decibels is as loud as a noisy restaurant. Then we've got heavy city traffic, motorcycle, and then car horn. So let me pick this middle option. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.